Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be talking about 5 Hindi new web series which I loved and highly recommend to you all. So both the last year and this year has been the years where web series have taken over, and because we can't go out, so web series are the current obsession. I'm one of them who watches a lot of web series, especially with my husband, because he's also an absolute lover and sucker for web series. So we look forward to the newly released Hindi, English, Bengali, all kinds of web series, since we are not able to go to the movie halls and watch movies. That's why this kinds of acts like leisure. Recently we both have watched 5 web series, Hindi web series, which we loved, absolutely loved, and highly recommend to all of you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first web series that I would talk about is known as Grahan. Now this has released recently in Disney Hotstar, and we binge watched it just in a night because we couldn't keep our laptop away and we had to watch the whole thing in one day, at one night basically. So we loved it. The direction, the acting, the plot, and the plot revolves around the anti-Sikh riot that took place in Bokaro. It stars Anshuman Pushkar, Zoya Hussain, and Vamika Gabbar, and all of them acted brilliantly. I have seen Anshuman Pushkar previously in Jamtara, and also I have watched another series of his which is also equally good, which is named as Kathmandu Connection. Anshuman Pushkar is the rising star. I mean, what an acting! He was lovely. Both he and Vamika were lovely. The 8-episode series leaves you a deep impact, and there are so many ups and downs, so many emotions involved in it. You will be involved and absorbed in the series within few seconds, and it will keep you hooked till the end. And amazing would be an understatement. Just a small gist of the series. I promise that I won't spoil anything for you guys. IPS officer Amrita Singh tries to use her position to bring about a change in the society. She is told to investigate the 1984 anti-Sikh riot which took place in Bokaro, and this is where the story takes over and her world comes crashing down when she comes to know that her father, Guru Sevak, is involved in that case. And what happens next, if you want to know, then you have to watch Grahan in Disney Plus Hotstar, and I can assure you that you will absolutely love it. It has been shot so beautifully, directed so beautifully, and it will leave a long-lasting impact on you, that's for sure. So I highly recommend this one. Coming to the second web series, it's Family Man Season 2. Now if you have already watched Family Man 1, then you would be in the same position as I was, because I was eagerly waiting for Season 2 to release. As usual, I loved it just as much as I loved the Season 1. Manoj Bajpayee has always been one of my favorites, and I always look forward to his web series, his movies, and I am in awe of his acting skills. Again, just a gist. As you know that Manoj Bajpayee plays the character of Srikanth. In this season, Srikanth is caught in a web of geopolitical intrigue where a group of Tamil rebels try to assassinate the Prime Minister of India. The rebels use Srikanth's daughter as a bait, and what happens next, you have to watch it to know more. Now coming to the performances, Manoj Bajpayee, as usual, outstanding performance. DK, I love him, and DK acts as a Watson to Sherlock, and I love the character development and the chemistry between the characters. It's so beautifully written and beautifully portrayed, and the climax, amazing. And how can I not talk about Samantha Prabhu? The character she portrayed was amazing, and she portrayed it amazingly. So you shouldn't miss this one, and if you haven't watched it yet, then go please watch it on Amazon Prime. The third web series that I would be talking about is Maharani. It's streaming in Sony Live, and the star cast is Huma Qureshi. She has portrayed her character so well. Now spousal politics is something which is very much present in India. and it can take a complex form. And grassroots level, there is a practice of proxy pradhans, where the husband snatches away the power of pradhan from their wives, but once in a while the tables can turn too, right? So in this case, it so happened that the chief minister is being shot, and even though he survives, but he couldn't rule the state because he's not in the position. So he hands over the responsibilities to his wife, played by Huma Qureshi, who has amazingly and brilliantly carried the role of chief minister. This 10-part political drama will keep you hooked till the end. And Huma Qureshi as Rani Bharti, it's a brilliant character that she portrayed, and she portrayed it so wonderfully, so beautifully. You will not even for a single second feel bored, because the whole plot and the sequences and everything is so perfect. Also, Soham Shah plays the role of the chief minister, that is husband of Rani Bharti. He has also portrayed his character so well. It's perfect for binge watching, and it will make your day truly. So I highly recommend this one. The fourth one that I would be talking about is known as Bisat. Now, this is not a recent web series. This was released on 15th of April 2021. I absolutely loved it. This web series is directed by Vikram Bhatt, and it will keep you hooked. The climax is amazing. I highly recommend you that you please watch this, because this is a thriller series, and you will love the twists and the turns, and you will actually feel like knowing more about the characters, and you will also be inquisitive as to what will happen in the next moment, because everything changes in each and every scene. So there are so many turns and twists that you will totally enjoy it. I loved it personally, so I thought that I should include this as well, even though this is not a newly released one. You can watch this in MX Player, and it's free, so I highly recommend this one. Sandeepa Dhar, I loved her acting previously as well in Mumbai. Vikram Bhatt is famous for his thrillers, so you will enjoy this thoroughly, and you can watch this. The last and the fifth one is Sunflower, which is streaming in ZEE5. The main protagonist is Sunil Grover. I love his acting. I loved his acting, especially in Tandav, and I was looking forward to this series. This particular series is directed by Vikas Behl, the director of Queen. I enjoy watching his movies, so I thought that I should give this a try. The storyline is something like this. Mr. Raj Kapoor of Sunflower Housing Society is found dead in his apartment, and while the police investigates the case, they find most of the residents of the apartment to be suspects, and Sunil Grover is one of them. And this is a comedy thriller which is one of its kind, and the direction, the twists and turns, and the comedy scenes, Sunil Grover's acting skills, and also specifically I loved Ranveer Shore, who plays the character of a police inspector who was investigating the case. He played his role superbly, and I highly recommend this to all of you, because in this particular web series you will find humor, you will find comedy, you will find thriller, you will find murder, you will find suspense, everything in a single web series. So I think that you will enjoy this one as well. These are the 5 web series which I have watched recently, and I absolutely loved it and highly recommend it to all of you. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please comment below, that would make my day. And yeah, stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive.